Amika Vault Color Lock Conditioner. Maintain your shade with this creamy, color-preserving conditioner, rich in UV filters and antioxidants. Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. Deeply condition, hydrate and restore dry hair to its natural vibrancy and health with this replenishing treatment. Amika the Wizard Detangling Primer. Meet the first step in every haircare routine, a weightless, multi-benefit priming spray that detangles, cuts blow-dry time and protects against thermal and environmental damage. Leaves hair smooth, soft and radiant. Top reviews from the United States. Recommend. My hairstylist recommended this shampoo because I have purple highlights. It definitely makes the color last longer.